2024 marks the sixth year ever since Samsung introduced their first foldable. In 2019, consumers and tech enthusiasts alike were speculating regarding this category of smartphones. For the next couple of years, this was the consensus in terms of speculation. Cheaper price tag, more durable, better battery, better charging speeds, better cameras, S Pen slot, water and dust resistance, smartphone-like outer screen, and more competition. Well, more than half a decade has passed and we're still speculating about the same things. That might be about to change with Fold 7, but we'll get to that later. For now, here are the new changes compared to Fold 5. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, boxier design, 14 grams lighter, IP48 rating, foldable thin glass, supposedly more durable, less protruding hinge, supposedly more durable, 7 years of OS and security updates. New chipset is a given, so we can expect a slight bump in performance and efficiency. Now it weighs the same as Galaxy S24 Ultra. But remember, that phone has an S Pen slot. IP48, which is a better standard and it is much appreciated. Any objects bigger than 1mm will be protected against thanks to this rating. Well done, Samsung. Reportedly, Samsung is using foldable thin glass as opposed to ultra thin glass. Again, a welcomed change. More durable hinge which protrudes less, and yeah, it's about time. There have been so many cases of Samsung foldables not being able to unfold all the way, myself included. I don't know if this fixes that issue completely, but fingers crossed. And 7 years of OS and security updates. Samsung just humiliated everyone in this regard. Well, done. That's everything new, but as much as I truly like the new changes, I, among so many others, wanted so much more from this iteration. Most of these are iterative changes. To see what I'm talking about and further elaborate, let's look at the changes from Fold 1 to Fold 2. Cheaper price tag, more durable, native 5G support, UFS 3.1, 4.6 inches to 6.2 inches full screen, Gorilla Glass Victus Type-C 3.2 from 3.1, 4380 to 4500 mAh change. Yes, Fold 2 still has the biggest battery of any Samsung foldable. This was kind of innovation and jump in specs we needed each iteration. And these are the changes from Fold 2 to Fold 5. Cover screen hasn't changed since 2020. Aside from camera modules, the design hasn't changed since 2020. Crease visibility has improved, but it's nowhere near the competition. Camera quality is still nowhere near Ultra series. Charging speed and battery capacity haven't changed in half a decade. These should be given considering the price tag. Competition-wise, OnePlus Open, Honor Magic V2, and Pixel Fold have established themselves in the market. Across these foldables, the creases and hinges are minimal, some of them undercut Samsung in price, and most importantly, their battery and outer screen sizes are bigger. Hell, Vivo X Fold 3 has a 5500 mAh battery and charges at 80 watts while being thinner and lighter. So why can't I recommend the aforementioned? It's because of the software. That's where you can tell that it's actually a 6th iteration device. OneUI is synonymous with attention to detail. In addition, the AI features have also enhanced the overall experience. However, AI features are nice to have, but no company should go all in on them being their main value proposition. If you have a Fold 3 or lower and you're looking to upgrade, then yeah, go for it. Anything above Fold 3, there's no need for it. I'm still gonna daily drive my Fold 4 and wait for Fold 7 or Fold 8 depending on how well this one holds up. By the way, if you're looking to purchase Fold 6, please get Samsung Care. My Fold 4 wasn't unfolding all the way, just 11 months in after a new hinge. So there's still a novelty factor associated with this category. And finally, let's come to the main point. I know financial analysis isn't the sexiest thing, but bear with me here. Within the span of 1 year, Samsung didn't see any growth in its foldable shipments. It couldn't even maintain its shipment stat. But it gets way worse. Samsung went from 58% of foldable shipments to 23% in 1 year, a decline of 35%. And guess who's at the top? Huawei with, are you ready for this? 35% of entire foldable shipments. Guys, foldable is a new category. It's not like we're talking about slab phones, so stagnant stats would make sense. Samsung was the first major manufacturer to introduce this, and they had the resources to capitalize on every opportunity. They're giving heaps of discounts and trade-in offers, also vouchers for their Galaxy ecosystem, and they're counting everything on AI. You're gonna have to reimagine your strategy, because if you're counting on AI for your global recovery, your confidence is misplaced. The price tag is a big problem for people, for sure. And I love those discounts and trade-in offers. But that isn't the sole problem. On the flip side, however, other brands are relatively new at this, so major increase in shipments from them in this new category and new market makes sense. Some of their shares might dwindle or stabilize in the upcoming months or years. Will Fold 6 recover Samsung's top spot? Probably not. I do think that a lot of right decisions were made with this year's iteration, so it might enable the business to not lose any more shares or let it see a slight increase. Let me know what do you guys think about this whole situation. Thanks for the support, guys. Please like and subscribe because...
So then we're gonna jump forward in time and have a submarine filled with military seamen be attacked by pirates. Oh, seamen is tight. R. Ah, is that what the pirates sound like? No, that's the word you should have used instead of is to downgrade that sentence from disgusting to just weird. Whoop.
This is Rogue Hat. Catch you guys later.